Welcome to Duniya TV, Aapki Screen Par. Today, we present the top 5 trending places on Earth in 2025. Number 1. Makkah, Saudi Arabia, the sacred heart of Islam, home to the Holy Kaaba. Millions visit here in search of peace and devotion. Number 2. Medina, Saudi Arabia, the city of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, a place of serenity, love, and spiritual calm. Number 3. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. A modern marvel, luxury, towering skyscrapers, and endless innovation. Number 4. Bali, Indonesia. Tropical paradise, beaches, rice terraces, and peaceful island vibes. Number 5. Switzerland, majestic mountains, crystal lakes, and breathtaking natural beauty. Which of these would you visit first? Subscribe and explore more, only on Duniya TV, Aapki Screen Par.